Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So in today's video, I figured I would just do the simplest eye look I possibly could, but still look like awesome and that you actually tried. So I'm using the e.l.f. Need It Nudes palette in this video today. Let's see if it'll focus on this blend. Probably not. Maybe. Woohoo, maybe. Okay. Anyways, so I'm using only 3 shadows in this look. I also showed you how to only use 2 so that you can have it the easiest, most effortless, but yet look. So I used this champagne, this nude, this kind of like, yeah, pinky nude, and then this matte brown. If you guys want to see how to do this, just grab 2 matte shadows and 1 shimmer and we can get started. So all you need for a look to have contrast and not look like all muddied up is to have difference in texture. So matte, shimmer, semi-matte. So in this palette, it's actually really, really good for that because it has those, and it has like this one right here. It is kind of a nude, and but it has a little bit of a shimmer in it, so it kind of is like along the line of both because it has glitters in it and it's like really satiny. So there's satin, there's shimmer, there's matte, and then there's like metallic, which I don't think metallic is for everyday use. So this palette is actually really good and it's a really good buy. So if you get a good concealer that can be a good primer or just a really good primer, you can really go a long way with something like this. And then I also just used my Jordana Espresso Last 24-hour pencil. It's just a gel kind of pencil. So if you guys want to see how I got this quick, easy look, then just keep on watching. Thanks for watching. Okay, so I'm using the e.l.f. e.l.f. Need It Nudes palette. I'm going to only use 3 shades out of here, but first I'm going to start and show you how to use only 2. So I have 2 e.l.f. brushes here. I have their concealer brush, which is a really good shadow brush, and then I have the e.l.f. crease brush. This one's really nice, especially for beginners, so you don't like deposit too much color at once. So you can just kind of work and build up, build up, build up, build up. So the color that I'm going to take first is the 4th one in. It's like a pink kind of nude shade. And I'm going to apply that from the brow to the lid. I just use concealer with the lid to the brow, whatever you want to do. Okay, so now that we're zoomed in a little bit, I used concealer and my under eye setting powder to just kind of prime the lid. So just use your regular old concealer that you would use underneath your eyes and blend that through. And then I'm going to take that pink shade and just take a little bit more onto the brow just to help so we don't take our crease color too high and we can blend a lot easier. Another thing I recommend is just having a washcloth with you. This is just a regular old face washcloth and you just throw them in the washing machine. They do come out really good. Take my crease brush and I'm going to take this matte brown right here, like the 3rd one from the back, from the end, and just tap my brush in there a tiny bit. And then the first place that you put your brush is the place where the most pigment is going to be deposited. So I'm going to, wherever I want the most like darkness is the place I'm going to put my brush first. So I'm going to put it here at the outer corner, kind of wiggle it, and then start blending it through. And then just keep building it up as you want the intensity. And just kind of use the belly of it, like this side right here, and then kind of blend out this crease area. Kind of use the base of the bristles. Okay, now I'm gonna go back in with my shadow brush. Go to that pink shade that we used at the beginning, and then just put that on the lid more. So that is our one eye done. And now you can add your liner. This is the liner that I'm going to use today, and it is the Jordana 12 Hour Made to Last Liquid Eyeliner Pencil. And this is an espresso last, so it's just like a brown color. So that would be what I would put on next if I was done. Now I'm going to show you how to add another shade to it, and it's just a shimmer. And then you can pick any one of the shimmers in this palette. There's 3 good ones, like a rose gold one, a gold, and then just like a champagne. So I'm going to just take the champagne shadow brush or concealer brush and then just build this onto the lid. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take the same shadow brush and take the matte color that we used, this matte, and blend this underneath the eye. I'm going to do this with this mirror, so because I have to move my eye in a weird. Okay, now I'm taking my brush, wiping it off on the washcloth, and now taking the champagne shimmer shade and just patting this on the inner corner and I'm going to blend it through. Okay, now I'm going to darken the crease with our same matte brown. That is just more options, like you can really have good intensity. I'm kind of blending it through. And you can also, I'm going to take my blending fluffy brush and dust it off, and then don't go into the champagne color, dust most of that off and put that on the brow because I don't want a lot of shimmer up there, but a little bit is fine. So that is our eye with the 3 shades. Shadow look. Now I'm going to take my eyeliner pencil and some Q-tips to smudge. So I still like to keep my eyeliner pretty crisp when I am doing smudging, just so it kind of still makes the smudge look nice and uniform. I know you're just smudging it out in the first place, but I just still like to kind of keep it. Lights Caramel Lashes. This is just a little tiny mini one. He's so cute. I would like to get the full size one, but you know, it's really hard for me to get really good or expensive mascara because it doesn't last that long, you know? It does look good though. And the coat. Alright guys, so that is the end of this video. So if you guys like quick simple looks like this, I can maybe try to incorporate like colors and stuff to see if we can just like work with some color without using so many shadows. That might be interesting. So if you guys did like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up so I know that you did like it, and give it, I can't. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. And I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!